If you're looking to streamline workflows or visualize tasks in an agile environment, Syncfusion's React Kanban component is here to revolutionize how you manage tasks. The Kanban board uses cards to represent tasks, organizing them into columns based on status, priority, or category. With drag and drop functionality, you can easily move tasks between columns to reflect changes in progress. Plus, you can display tooltips for tasks to provide additional details instantly. Need to update or remove tasks? The Kanban board makes editing quick and intuitive with a built-in dialog. Simply do the necessary changes and save it. Or delete tasks when they are no longer needed. And if your workflow requires it, you can fully customize this dialog with additional fields using templates. Take organization to the next level with swim lanes. Swim lanes stay visible at the top even while scrolling, similar to frozen rows. And you can move the tasks between swim lanes with a simple drag and drop action. You can even drag and drop tasks between different Kanban boards, or into the scheduler for a better workflow integration. Swim lane headers can show item counts, and you can collapse or expand them as needed for a clearer view. The Kanban board seamlessly integrates with data from RESTful APIs, web services, or local sources, ensuring your tasks stay synchronized with your back-end systems. You can easily customize the Kanban board to fit your unique needs by using templates for cards, column headers, swim lanes, and tooltips. Modify columns to align with your unique workflow, whether it's by project phases, team assignments, or priority levels. You can group related columns with multiple keys, or even use stacked headers for logical grouping. Reorder cards within the same column, or across different columns. And even enable the collapsible columns for a cleaner and more organized view. Keep your workflow efficient with work-in-progress limits. Set constraints on the number of tasks per column to prevent bottlenecks and ensure a balanced workload. Quickly find what you're looking for using search and filtering options to narrow down tasks by assignee, priority, or status. The adaptive layout ensures the Kanban board looks great on any device such as desktop, tablet, or mobile. Choose from a variety of built-in themes like Material, Bootstrap, Tailwind, and more to match your app's design. And enjoy full support for localization and globalization, making the Kanban board accessible for teams worldwide. Want to push boundaries further? Integrate AI into your Kanban board for next-level task management. Perform sentiment analysis, where emoticons reflect customer feedback automatically. Or let AI generate task segments from project details and assign them to team members based on capacity. Ready to transform the way you manage tasks? Try the React Kanban component today and supercharge your workflows.